Conference sponsor Spotlight. The conference brings together insurance leaders from across Africa to explore the trends, challenges, and opportunities shaping the future of the industry. Joining me today is Dr. Nolwandle, CEO of Aon South Africa. Nolwandle, thank you for joining me today.
It's a pleasure. Thank you. It's good to have you.
So the AIE Conference brings together leaders from across the insurance value chain. What do you think makes these gatherings so important for the future of our industry?
And thanks, Rihanna. Our industry is operating in an increasingly volatile environment. We are navigating economic uncertainty, geopolitical issues, climate volatility, cyber threats, and regulatory change, and rapid advances in technology. And this includes artificial intelligence. And these all are not challenges that any one organization can solve alone. So gatherings like the Africa Insurance Exchange are important because they provide a platform for insurers, for brokers, reinsurers, regulators, and service providers to have a perspective and share their perspective, strengthening our collaboration and explore practical solutions. But it also allows us to learn from one another, to discuss these emerging risks and identify opportunities to improve resilience and outcomes across the African insurance industry. So this year's theme of insurance renaissance, rebirth, reinvent, redefine, speaks directly to the moment of our industry finds itself in. What I appreciate is that it recognizes that we need to rethink how we understand risk, continually reinvent how we use our data and technology, and keep redefining the value we deliver to our clients and society. So conferences like AIE create that space for these conversations and for practical ideas that can move our industry forward.
So I think you probably answered my next question, but I have to ask, why is it important for Aon South Africa to support the conference as a sponsor this year?
We are in the business of helping our clients make better decisions. And therefore, we believe contributing to the advancement of the insurance industry, not only through the solutions we provide to our clients, but also by supporting meaningful industry dialogue. And the conference aligns with Aon's commitment to collaboration, innovation, and knowledge sharing, but it also provides us an opportunity to engage with industry leaders on the issues that are shaping our future. As I mentioned earlier, issues of climate risk, the cyber resilience, digital transformation, everyone is talking about that, about adoption of AI. So supporting the conference reflects our belief as Aon that stronger partnerships across the insurance value chain ultimately deliver better outcomes for clients and for industry as a whole.
Yeah, I think the word collaboration has come through on all these chats. I think we all realize the importance of us all working together to make the experience for the client at the end of the day a better one. As CEO of Aon South Africa, what would you say are the biggest risks and opportunities keeping insurance leaders awake at night?
What we're seeing, the risks facing our industry really are becoming increasingly interconnected. So if I look at climate-related events, these continue to increase both frequency as well as severity. We are seeing greater volatility in weather-related claims, with certain regions and occupancies becoming more challenging to insure. And this is often requiring higher deductibles and stricter management conditions. This, we also note that it creates affordability challenges, and in some cases, reduces underwriting appetite. So our role is increasingly there to help clients understand and manage the physical risk, and through protection measures, better asset valuation, and where necessary, reconsider locations rather than relying solely on traditional insurance transfers. So in many ways, this is also part of rebirthing the conversations with clients, shifting from a narrow focus on premium to a more holistic view of resilience. The other part is really around the cyber threats, which are evolving rapidly, as we see in our news. If you look at cyber risk, it has moved from being just a nice to have discussions to a core business risk from many clients. And this includes largely mid-sized businesses. So while we see the awareness is improving, there remains a gap between the perception and the actual exposure, particularly where operations are highly digital. So from our side, we focus on combining cyber insurance with strong security hygiene and incident response planning. So capacity remains available for well-managed risk, although pricing and terms can tighten quickly following incidents or within higher risk sectors. So at the same time, technology presents one of the industry's greatest opportunities. And AI has the potential to automate our routine process, also improve underwriting through better data analysis. So used well, we believe that AI enables us to reinvent our underwriting claims as well as in terms of client management without really losing the trusted relationship that we have with our clients. And that is actually at the heart of our industry.
And giving the team more opportunity to bring in the human element, the connection part, that is also so important for our industry, right?
Certainly. You know, as we talk around, the interconnected net of risk, also our industry has become much more aware of systemic risks following the pandemic, the civil unrest, particularly in South Africa, and energy supply challenges. So while policy wordings and capital management have improved, preparedness remain uneven. So many clients still assume that future black swan events will always be insurable, which may not be the case. We therefore place greater emphasis on scenario planning, supply diversification, ensuring clients clearly understand what it is that is not covered by the insurance program. And in line with this year's theme, we definitely need to redefine how we talk about risk transfer versus risk retention so that clients can make informed strategic decisions.
Looking at the African insurance landscape, what do you believe is the biggest opportunity for the industry over the next few years?
The greatest opportunity lies in helping more businesses and communities build resilience.
Yeah.
And this can only be achieved through better risk management and greater access to appropriate insurance solutions. Across Africa, we have an opportunity to combine innovation, technology, trusted advice to address some of these evolving risks, such as climate change, cyber exposure, or infrastructure challenges. And by improving the digital engagement, expanding these advisory services, and developing solutions that meet the needs in different markets, I believe the industry can help close protection gaps while supporting sustainable economic growth across the continent. And if we truly embrace the insurance renaissance, which is about rebirth, redefine, and reinvent, we can reposition insurance as a genuine catalyst for inclusive development and reinvent our products.
Yeah, and not that grudge purchase that we've been fighting for so many years, right?
Yeah. And improve the distribution, because from an accessibility and fit for purpose, this
100%.
becomes important. It will redefine our success beyond the premium growth to a much more tangible and measured resilience and shared prosperity of African businesses and communities.
Yeah. Very insightful. Thank you, Nolwandle. So I want to ask my last question, and that is, complete this sentence. The insurance industry will be stronger in 5 years' time if we start doing more of what today?
Sure. If we move beyond simply transferring risk and instead helping clients make better decisions. And I have to say that because we are in the business of helping clients make better decisions, we need to build resilience and create measurable business value for our clients.
My question was actually so apt because we could have said, complete the sentence. The insurance industry will be strong in 5 years' time. We start doing more of better decisions today. Bottom line, and that's what Aon stands for. Thank you for your time, Nolwandle. I really appreciate it. I am looking forward to seeing you at the conference, and let's see if we can start helping clients make that decisions a little bit better.
And Aon is your trusted advisor.
Yes, for sure. Thank you for your
Thank
time. I
you.
really appreciate it.
Take care then. Bye.